military before, but excited to be a big part of the day. When you're a Bachelor alum or a Bachelor couple, it's like all these people that you've never met, you're in the same family because we kind of all went through the same thing in our own way, so we get it. So another success story I'm excited about. I'm sure they're gonna go all out for this wedding, so it should be fun. Adam brought his golf clubs. I think all the boys are going golfing. While the boys are golfing at some point, I think Ashley, Jade, some other girls go to lunch or something.
You got it down. That's the way to do it. And then hopefully you guys are going to be at pay 16 a foot. Yeah, last year was like.
Okay, here we are in our room. Here's our bed. Adam's catching up on his phone. We have a fireplace in our room. We just ran into Jade and Tanner and Dean. I am gonna freshen up outside really quick. Leads outside, and then we have a fireplace out here. It's gonna be pretty late dinner everyone is having tonight, so we're gonna meet Jade and Tanner for an early dinner and then maybe meet everybody else later. And what's really crazy about Bachelor Nation is you can be from different seasons, never met each other before, or you could be on Bachelor, Bachelorette, Bachelor in Paradise, whatever, and you meet each other and it's like you know each other because you're a part of this crazy Bachelor family. Like no one else understands what you go through or what you've been through or the show or the process like they do. So it really bonds you. And everyone's like married and has kids now, and it's just like really cool to see the progression of everyone's life.
Take a picture of me.
No cussing. Okay, we're here at dinner. Jade, Tanner, Kaylin, Dean, and Adam. How does it feel to be reunited from your season?
Oh yeah,
it's like homecoming.
Season one, number season were we? Whatever it was, best season
13?
ever. Yeah, that's right.
Then we have mom and dad. We're talking all things kids, cuties, and I told Kaylin her wedding's beautiful, of course. No compliments to Dean.
Good vibes.
Okay, why do I look like this? And I have two eye masks upside down. The Peter Thomas Roth eye mask. Face is so puffy. And today we have the wedding. So let me recap yesterday. We had like a welcome dinner with everyone I got to see. As you saw, Dean, Kaylin, Jade, Tanner, Caitlin. Bristow came later, so I didn't get to see her. I got to see Wells for just a little bit before he had to go practice whatever he's doing for the wedding. Then more people started coming in and arriving. I got to meet Charity for the first time, which is really cool, and she's so beautiful. And so now I'm just getting ready. I'm gonna see one of the producers that used to work with me on the show. Oh, and I met Gary and Teresa last night. They're very lovely, like exactly what you see on TV is what you get. And I feel like that's the beauty of the Golden Bachelor, is because these people are not trying to get on here to get Instagram followers or anything like that. They're literally just here to fall in love. And so I'm not gonna tell you who, but one of the ladies said to us yesterday that it was very hard on her. Now she's had a few glasses of wine at this point, but it's been very hard on her to attend this wedding because this was someone that she was in love with. Teresa also told Jade and I a very funny story. And it was just really fun to hear them in the bunk beds that we were all in, and like how much fun they had and how much drama they had. So I have two dresses. I had you guys vote on Instagram which of the two dresses I should wear, so I'm gonna try them on. And oh my gosh, I look so crazy, but you guys, I desperately needed this.
All right, I just got back from my round of golf. I was with Ben Higgins, Joey, the new Bachelor. He was in my golf cart. We had Jared, Tanner, Chris, Dean, and Jason Mesnick. So it was a really fun group. I think everyone's super excited for this wedding. It's gonna be an awesome show. It's like big homecoming with everybody that's here. So looking forward to it, and we'll keep you guys posted. Here is the first dress. I don't have it zipped up all the way. I have some clear, like spiky shoes I'm gonna wear. This one's very pretty. Shiny, one shoulder, the color is very pretty and brilliant.
Let me show you the other one. And here is the purple. I just did an Instagram poll to see which one I should wear. I trust my Instagram followers to tell me the truth if the blue looks better. So I just need to touch up my hair, touch up a little bit of my makeup, and decide on a lip color. We got a disaster going on over here. And I need a coffee to wake up. And this is what people voted that they loved the most. So I have my heels on, this little bag from Amazon, my makeup done, and just my hair curled. So I'm ready to go, but it is cold here, so I'm gonna have to put a long coat on this because it's freezing. This is why we're late. Because Caitlin just locked her dress in the door.
Imagine I didn't have a key to get back. You
look-
have my key.
You look beautiful though. Oh yeah, I do.
Oh, we're doing selfie mode. I thought we
yeah.
were just getting the ladies in here.
No, this is the best man right here.
This is my fit. It's a Macy's special.
Look at that.
It's not tailored to me, but it kind of fits very nicely.
Sponsored ad?
Yeah, JC Penney if you want
It can be.
I
It can be. And then we have our gorgeous looking women
Oh man,
in tow.
right when the bad lighting comes in, you go.
No. You got bistro lights. You look great. You look great, Caitlin.
Oh my gosh, you guys look great.
As long as Caitlin's tape is on really tight tonight, we're gonna have a good night.
If the tape comes off, I'm screwed. Live television, what could go wrong?
Taking a golf cart to the location because it's pretty far walk. It's a little chilly. We're all wearing heels, so we're in one golf cart and they're in the other.
Wearing heels and shoes.
In the room, and I really want to go get it.
You should go get it.
It's not good. Is it tight now?
Dean the socialite doesn't sound pretty together.
I'm serious. No, I'm serious. What's going on with you?
You look so pretty. We got in trouble stuff because we walked in front of the camera. We got yelled at. Turn the camera around. Turn the camera around. In the wedding. Guys, oh my god. Oh, what in the bridesmaids?
Oh god, this is the whole wedding party.
Oh my god. What are we doing?
Like no one feels bad. They're not like
Right. Be like, oh, dude, like honestly, there's only like.
Alright, I'm with the one and only Gary. This was absolutely incredible to see you and your wife get married tonight. And we're happy to be a part of it. So, cheers to you, brother. Thank you so much. It's a great night. It's a great night.
You didn't stop believing and neither did we. I'm sure you guys
Stop believing.
Another one is their first dance.